Hello, this is Nick with Xima Software. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about caller consent. So first off, in order to report on caller consent, your Voicemail Pro client must be 11.1 or higher. Additionally, your software version must be 4.4.1 or higher. And lastly, you must route calls through the Voicemail Pro client in order to report on caller consent. So there's three options that we can report on: caller consent granted, refused, or not requested. I've set up a simple menu option here in the Voicemail Pro client to show this. So option 1, consent granted. You have to open up the reporting tab and turn on the consent directive. And then from the drop-down menu, you'll select either consent given, consent denied, or leave it turned off. So these are just reporting options. These do not affect call recording. So in order to have calls recorded or not, you would have to set the routing up appropriately within your Voicemail Pro. And this would look something like this. The calls would come in, you would ask the customer if they wanted to be recorded or not. If they said yes, the consent is given, you would route them to the groups that would have recording enabled. If they denied recording, you would send them to the groups where recording was not enabled, or terminate the call, depending on how you want to handle the calls. Over in Chronicle, this is how the reporting looks. You can see under the caller consent tab that there's consent granted, consent refused, and not requested. Additionally, you could set up reports to report on these values. Thanks for joining today's tutorial.